Ase uguchaka rituko ryabo rya kabira setaro yorogongo rwa Gusii babwatani bensemerio kwamereria serikali bakoragwa na Dr. Fred Matiang'i mokoyo murai wenso mukoro muskeri gashagwa mwasire mukoro yujini wa marwa mwasire boigo umukoro nande orumurai bekiama gya PNU Peter Munya na boigo mokoyo murai wenso mukoro Karonso Musyoka egati ya baraibanda bange nigo banyarako bakubwatoka chingwana chintindi guchia serikali andamono ese banyarako bakomachia ogutume kugosogoturbanirwa kweme sangirikano yabo ya gisiasa negentu banyaka bakurwa okobori gotigwa harimo ryoka munagutumurikito fatigari Gisemba
abaraya bubare ensemeria ekwamereria serikali nigo bagikeri bororo ebikorwa byo guturubania emisangirikano yabo ya gisiasa eyo yaberege kwenekiwa amatuko abwangoiga.
We must equally condemn the attempted disruption of our meetings yesterday in Gusii. Bwana William Ruto, all the way from Narok to Bomet to Longisa to Chepelat to Kisii. One message is clear: Kenyans have decided you are a one-term president.
Aya ni gagocha maiga yemisangirikana yabo kurikiwa gusariwa rituko rya igoro asorogongo oroiga rwa Gusii chingaki bachagete etaro yabo yamatuko atatu.
It is regrettable that we have any loss of life, and I think as Fred has said, one life lost is one too many. We want the security for our people. It is the responsibility of any government in office to ensure peace and security of its citizens.
Aiga babaragire ebyara abarai baria babere bakubatumeka abasayi bobe eryo baturubanie omorembe
nakumuki abana b'abantu obatumenga bachiko salime sangikano y'abantu erinde bachiko itoro ekirenge totanya w'imperanasi nenda abantu betu bagusinto tagitigenteke nende buno tokwane sabara ina abantu bandi ayana mangana mabeto tatatulimi yotole merani tokale siasa no buronge n'ubuya n'amaskani n'tokugenda n'ekikuru n'abantu babwata tatari umuntu ubwata tokwana n'abantu abamora n'amaskani endetore lakini ngo chiusalime sangikano y'abantu nende tigande by'abana baminto bali n'abana babarura tata ngainya
nonye nabo batianire buroro bonanigo barachikotuka asobwa ime abanyanyimbo baria babere bagutumekwa bobe eryo baturubanie omorembe anigo maiga yaye barachikwenekia abuna bonsi abo inkwire rubare egetambokero.
That file is ready. Those officers must know that when a new president is sworn in, 10 hours after, they'll be arrested and taken. And I want to ask all our police officers across the country to know that we have put a team also to document police excesses. Where leaders are attacked by goons, with police participation, we are documenting on the county commander was there, the OCSs were there, the DCIO was there, and we are keeping that record. And all of you will face the law. I want to appeal to the police officers. We are also fighting for their rights. They are also under intense pressure. Their insurance scheme has been backed. They are crying like all the Kenyans. Their payslips have been raided. Among the people we are fighting for are our police officers.
Chingaki echecho nigo abaraya baiga batebere kira oyomo nabwenelete korendwa wanjireria konde wonzi gotayo naboigo kira umwana siasa oika aewe obosibore bwaye bogokora siasa
umugambi w'ense n'abasanyi baye nabwato busibore gocha agorogore muga gaje nyombaga ararororo amenyo aragerega kira lituko aronyore getande sakorara era talega jitiru titakwa n'abantu bidonyagandage that is it. Ekekogera ondeta yotokani no n'abantu baye ba UDA kumuranye mutayeto gocha komenya Gusii n'unju mumenyega mugambe n'abantu bayito ngora lakini mubaza goita abantu bayito here is it's not acceptable.
And we are saying, if the government is not ready to provide the security that we require in our meetings, we must also organize ourselves to be able to secure our meetings, isn't it? And ask the citizens to take that responsibility of making sure our meetings are safe, and anybody who is coming there to cause mayhem, anapata cha mtema kundu.
Hingo reporter Getembe Kroigase County ya Nyamira Jeff Atigad Gisemba.